Welcome to another example of ratio and proportion. A pancake recipe calls for 2 cups of milk for every 75 pancakes made. How many cups of milk are needed to make 525 pancakes? So here there are multiple ways of arriving at the solution. But let's first understand the question. So for every 75 pancakes that are made, we need 2 cups of milk. So let's say we double the number of pancakes. So for 75, we need 2 cups of milk. Let's say we double this up. So we add another 75 pancakes. So for this additional 75 pancakes, again we'll need 2 cups of milk. Now if we add another 75, we need another 2 cups of milk. We add another 75, we need 2 cups of milk. Add another 75, we need another 2 cups of milk. We add another 75, we need another 2 cups of milk. So now how many pancakes have we made? 75 plus 75 is 150. 75 plus 75 is 150. So 150 plus 150 is 300. Plus another 150, which is 450. Let's add another 75 pancakes. We need another 2 cups of milk. So this becomes 450 plus 75, which is 525 pancakes. And for 525 pancakes, how many cups of milk do we need? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14. So 14 cups of milk. So what did we do here? We added 75 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. And same thing we did here is we added 2 7 times. So 75 multiplied by 7 became 525, which is what we wanted. And 2 multiplied by 7 became 14. So basically we need 14 cups of milk for 525 pancakes. So this is one way of solving this problem. Now let us look at another way. So what is the ratio of the milk to the number of pancakes? So milk is to pancakes is 2 is to 75. So this is the ratio of milk to pancakes. This can also be written as 2 by 75. Now if the same ratio, we know that if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, it remains the same ratio. So let's multiply this by 7 and this by 7. So this becomes 75 multiplied by 7 is 525, and the numerator is 7 multiplied by 2, which is 14. So if for 75 pancakes we need 2 cups of milk, for 525 pancakes we need 14 cups of milk. Now let us look at another way. Now sometimes the calculations may become complicated and we may not be able to find that 75 times 7 is 525. Now as we have seen here, this ratio is nothing but equal to 2 by 75. If you divide 14 and 525 both by 7, so 7 2s are 14, so 2, and 525 divided by 7 is 75. So what we got is 14 by 525 is equal to 2 by 75. Now this is the unknown, right? Because we have to find out how many cups of milk are needed to make 525 pancakes. Let's say this is x. So x divided by 525 is equal to 2 divided by 75. Now in this case we can cross multiply. So what we do is, or 75 multiplied by x is equal to 2 multiplied by 525, which is nothing but 1050, or x is equal to 1050 divided by 75, which is equal to, so 75 ones are 75, 75 ones are 75, so 105 minus 75 is 30, so 30 gets carried over, and 300 divided by 75 is 4 cups of milk. So here we have used the principle of proportions, where we have considered two ratios equal to each other, and we can easily find out one of the unknown variable. Now there is another way of arriving at this cross multiplication. So we know that 2 cups of milk are needed for 75 pancakes. So let's say x cups of milk will be needed for 525 pancakes. Now there is a direct relationship here between the number of cups of milk and the number of pancakes. If the number of pancakes increases, the number of cups of milk will increase. So in this case we can use the principle of cross multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 525 is equal to x multiplied by 75. So again we arrive at the same thing here, and so 75x is equal to 1050, or x is equal to 14 cups of milk.